welcome back to another Allure beauty box unboxing. So this one is for the September 2020 beauty box. I'm really excited because for once there's no coconut stuff in it, so I can actually use everything and not have to trade it away with my mom for stuff that doesn't have coconut, so yay! Anyway, so here's our cover girl for this month, and let's see. Opening up. I put on makeup to meet a friend, looked in a mirror, and did a little jig. The world hasn't recovered from COVID-19 by any means, but I am slowly restarting my social life, meeting for picnics and outdoor brunches. For this comeback, I've reassessed my relationship with cosmetics. Typically, I would go for a bold lip, but with face covering requirements, I now swipe on a bold eyeliner or high-impact mascara, and my new signature look has reinvigorated my love for a good cleansing balm. You'll find a few of these makeup essentials in this month's box. It's the small bursts of color that remind us there is still fun to be had. Aw. But yeah, see, that's what I've been saying all along, is that even with the masks on, you don't have to give up makeup. Sure, you don't have to put on lip stuff. Go overboard with the eyes. Like, have fun with the eye makeup, because that's what's going to be seen. Just saying. Just saying. So anyways, glad that more people are catching on to that. So first thing we've got is by Wander Beauty, and I think this is full-sized actually. And this is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Mascara, which this retails for $24, so I think about standard for a decent mascara. This is the Volume and Curl Mascara. I first tried this mascara in 2017, the year it won an Allure Best of Beauty Award, and I still hoard every tube I can get my hands on. When I reach for mascara, I want drama. I look for a formula that darkens, thickens, lengthens, and holds a curl all day. Unlashed does all of that without clumping or flaking, even when I go to town by layering it 5 or 6 times. The slightly hooked wand has staggered bristles, some shorter than others, that grab every lash. The unique shape also makes coating inner and outer lashes a breeze. It doesn't claim to be long wearing, but I've worked out in it without any running or smudging. That's actually very impressive if you can do that without it running or smudging, because I don't seem to have that kind of luck with mascaras, but then again, I haven't tried this one yet, because this is my first tube of it, so I guess we'll find out. So there's that, which I'm very happy about. And then we've got yet another itty-bitty teeny-tiny little sample of the La Roche-Posay Anti-Thelios 50 Ultra Light Sunscreen Fluid. I think each of these has been a little different from one another, but yes, I'll show you. They're all like the same size, though. They're so itty-bitty. Full size retails for $33, by the way. This sunscreen does everything it should. Blends in on all skin tones, offers broad spectrum protection, and then some. Usually the best thing you can say about the feel and look of a sunscreen is that it's not greasy, but this is the rare formula that actually makes my skin noticeably softer and smoother after I put it on. This is even more impressive considering that it's a mineral formula with zinc and titanium dioxide, perfect for me as a nursing mom. I'm not sure what the nursing mom part has anything to do with. Somebody clue me in on that, but anyway. This might be full size too, and I'm really intrigued by it because I've never used a cleansing balm, but this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. And it does look full size. Whoops! And if it is full size, this is $64, guys! This is bougie as hell. So, you can, let's hear it. Enter Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order, excluding the Ultra Smart Pro Collagen range. Travel size products, gift sets, and e-gift cards cannot be combined with other promos or any sampling program, not applicable with the free mini with $30 purchase. But it's valid September 1st through October 31st at elemis.com. Now, what it says about it. I thought I knew how to remove my makeup, but now I'm rethinking all the scrubbing I used to go through. The game changer, this cult classic cleansing balm. I start by warming the hydrating algae and shea butter formula between my fingertips. Why did algae make me laugh? That's not a funny thing. Between my fingertips until it becomes an oil, then I gently massage it over my face. With water, the balm transforms into a milky cleanser, and I can see my makeup melting away. You can simply rinse with several splashes of water, but I prefer to wipe everything off with a damp, warm washcloth. Not only does it whisk away grime, this balm also moisturizes with 9 essential oils. Holy shit, that sounds amazing. Very happy to have that. Then there is 2 brushes you could get. I got the e.l.f. one, but I'm actually okay because the other one was a contour brush, whereas this is a highlighting brush. And we all know I love my highlighter, so I'm like, okay, highlighter brushes are good by me. I don't need a bougie brand, just, highlighter brushes are good. And I love e.l.f. So, this retails for $4. I'm all for a good powder highlighter. There's something about glowy skin that makes me feel confident. The contoured tip of this brush is designed for precise highlighting of cheek and brow bones. During the summer, I also sweep it across my collarbone. The bristles pick up powder with one touch and feel as soft as a feather on your skin. And if you're looking for an out-of-this-world glow, dip the brush into your highlighter and spritz the bristles with setting spray before brushing on your makeup. I keep forgetting that's a thing I can do. I'm gonna have to try that one of these days because I keep seeing that tip and I keep forgetting to try it. This next one I'm super excited for. This is the Clio Noir Twist Up Eyeliner in purple, and this retails for $18. I'm not sure if this is full size or not, though. I want to say this is half size, but that's still pretty darn decent for an eyeliner, just saying. But if it's that color purple, that is exciting. And I think it is. It's hard to tell in this lighting, but when I get a chance to try it on, we'll know for sure. But yeah, so I'll stick it back in the box for now. We'll read about it. Eyeliner has been a must in my makeup routine since I was 13. Hey, me too, although 12 for me. I loved outlining my eyes in black and then gently smudging the bottoms and tops, a trick I learned from one of my Dominican homegirls from Corona, Queens. For years, I mostly used black liner because the available color options weren't ideal for girls with medium brown skin tones like mine. Thankfully, things have changed. Now I wear a lot of color. Clio Noir's purple liner has a buttery smooth formula and a beautiful violet tone. It's something you notice on second look. Plus, it's got some sparkle, which is perfect for a smoky night look. You can also wear it during the day. For me, glitter is a neutral. Okay. And then... oh, this is another one of those things where they just advertise it on the back but don't say anything about it, but it's a waterless dry conditioner. Conditions dry hair to control frizz. Conditioning level 3. Should we try it? Like right now? I mean, we could try it. How if I open it? Where's the thingy? I'm not seeing the whole... just this, I'm trying to get the lock to open. If we can open it, I'll try it. This is, magical, guys. Wait, there it is, okay, got it. Do I have a brush nearby? I do not, so I'm gonna have to just finger brush it through, but, let's take the glasses off so I don't wreck them, but... my hair's kind of fucked anyway right now, so... I mean, with those tangles at the end, I could probably use some conditioner, but, way too close. I've definitely smelled this smell before. Maybe I have used this, or maybe I've used their dry shampoo. But I've definitely smelled this scent. Doing the best I can without an actual brush here, guys, but, every once in a while we do a try-on right away. Oh, do I really want to do it at the top? This is gonna be a mistake, and I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, they're looking a little better. It's like really humid today, so I'm like, you know what, screw it. Is it still open? It is, okay. They're watching sports downstairs, in case you're wondering all the noise. Okay. Right, that's not too bad, actually. Still wish I'd, well, if I'd planned this out, I would have brought a brush over, but I used to keep one nearby. Now it's in the bathroom, and the other one's on my nightstand. There's still that one little sticky uppy piece of hair right there. It's making me crazy. Okay. Wow. Look how freaking shiny it is. My hair's never that shiny. Okay. I'm a believer. I like it. Check that out. Okay, glasses back on, please. There, now I can really see it. That is pretty. Check it out, guys. Oh, wow. That is like mirror-like shine for me. Normally, my hair never has that, so... Can I put the lock back on it, or is that just how it is now? It's like, what? There we go, okay. Ah, that's what I was doing wrong before. Okay, if you hold the base and just turn that part. Can we tell that I don't use these sprays very much now? I'm asthmatic. Usually I try to stay away from aerosols, but this is a special exception that I'm making, so. Plus, I'm only on camera for a little bit, so if I start to wheeze, you guys won't see it. It'll be fine. But anyway, so, but I feel fine so far from it, so I don't think it's gonna mess with me. But yeah, that's what I got this month from my Allure box. These are actually really nice. Where'd my little booklet go, though? I just had it. Oh, wait, duh, it's... Wait, I take it back. There's one more thing in there. It's under the booklet. I forgot it was there. And it's, like, the most interesting thing in there, in my opinion, because it's so different. It's by Glam Up, and it's a revitalizing Japanese sake sheet mask. And it enhances radiance. Premium layered sheet allowing deep moisture grip. Sake concentrates, soothes, and softens skin. But yeah, I'm like, okay. So I'll read you the little thingy it says in the booklet on it. And then we'll wrap this up. You could either get this one or the aloe one, but this also has aloe in it. But I'm like, honestly, out of those two, I definitely got the more interesting one, because I've got aloe masks and I love them, but I mean, I've never had a sake mask. That sounds exotic, so... You can buy 10 of these for $10 on goselly.com, GOSELLY.com. So, Glam Up Revitalizing Japanese Sake Sheet Mask. In this sheet mask, Glam Up pairs aloe leaf extract with its namesake ingredient, sake. The fermented boozy sushi bar favorite is also great for brightening skin. One use of this mask didn't make my dark spots totally disappear, but it did erase the general dullness that plagues my dry skin. I followed the directions on the packet to snip off the bottom corner, and then it was easy to squeeze out every last drop of mask juice. What a way of putting it. I patted the extra essence onto my cheeks and then down my neck and spread the brightening goodness. Cheers to that. So, again, there is that. So, I don't forget it's there in the future. I'm going to put the little booklet on the bottom. Then the sheet mask. And then the stuff. I'll go divide these up later into places where they actually go in my room, but for now, they can stay in the box. So, now we can wrap this up. So, anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.